I love Chinese New Year. It's a wonderful time to share delicious food with family and friends.
To celebrate this year of the rabbit, I'm going to show you 4 super tasty dishes that'll have luck and wealth flowing your way in the coming year.
My favourite fuss-free Chinese New Year dish has to be hot pot. I'll be showing you a spicy Sichuan version. Its fiery red colour symbolises luck.
Add Lee Kum Kee Sichuan-style hot and spicy stir-fry sauce to a pot of water for a delicious spicy numbing soup base. In a bowl, add fresh garlic, chilli, spring onion, ginger and sesame seeds. Then pour in Lee Kum Kee seasoned rice vinegar, premium oyster sauce, double deluxe soy sauce and chu chow chili oil. All these flavours will combine to create a truly unique and Moorish dipping sauce. Then it's time to cook. This part is totally up to you. There's no rules, everyone can just dunk what they want. I love to add a bit of everything: assorted veggies, meat and seafood. The perfect sharing dish to bring you and your loved ones together.
Next on my menu is prosperity noodles. This delicious cold noodle salad hails from the south of China.
To prepare, first deep fry some wonton skin triangles in hot oil to create light crisps. Then, on cooked vermicelli rice noodles, add finely sliced veggies, peanuts, grapefruit, smoked salmon, sesame seeds and coriander. Then decorate with the wonton crisps around the edges. In a bowl, mix mirin, Lee Kum Kee's plum sauce, seasoned rice vinegar and premium oyster sauce. This will create a beautiful umami sweet and sour dressing. Pour all over the salad and get all your guests together to toss high up in the air. This will attract lots of wealth and luck.
If you're looking to increase your power this new year, then you must serve chicken. My golden soy butter roast chicken is the perfect dish for this.
First, season a whole chicken with sea salt and white pepper. Then stuff with garlic, white onion and spring onion. Melt some butter in a pan and mix in some Lee Kum Kee's premium light soy sauce for a delicious savoury pop. Generously brush all over the bird and roast. For a flavour-packed dipping sauce, combine ginger and chilli with both Lee Kum Kee's double deluxe soy sauce and pure sesame oil. It's the perfect accompaniment to wow your guests.
Lastly, a Chinese New Year feast would not be complete without dumplings. My prawn pot sticker dumplings on an egg crepe will bring you prosperity, laughter and wealth.
To some pork mince, add ginger, spring onions and Shaoxing rice wine. For a savoury burst, pour in some Lee Kum Kee's premium light soy sauce. For a nutty note, Lee Kum Kee's pure sesame oil. And for some savoury sweetness, a pinch of Lee Kum Kee's premium mushroom seasoning powder. Finish with ground white pepper and corn flour and combine well. Then place some of this filling with a whole prawn onto a wheat flour gyoza wrapper and seal. Place onto an oiled pan to fry, then add some water and place the lid on. Beat 3 eggs with salt and ground white pepper and pour into the pan. Once cooked, sprinkle with sesame seeds and chives. For the ultimate finale, drizzle over Lee Kum Kee's XO sauce. Packed with dried scallops, shrimps, red chilies and spices, it's a flavour powerhouse.
So there it is, my ideas for a Chinese New Year feast. Let me know in the comments below your favourite Chinese New Year dishes and don't forget to subscribe for some more recipe ideas.